In this video, I will show you how to connect Exness to TradingView. So first, go to exness.com and then go ahead and you can create an account or you can sign in. So for this example, I will sign in and you can connect it on Google or you can type email address and password, and after that, click on continue and you can create a real or demo account. So you can click on open an account and then choose here if standard, pro, or anything, and after you choose, click on continue, and here I will choose demo, and here you can type the starting balance, the nickname, and leverage. For example, 1:1000, and then I will choose the platform here, and you can change currency, and after that I will create a password, and after that click on create account. Once I create an account, here as you can see, this is a demo. Go to TradingView and then search for the market. So any market, for example, stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, or anything. So I will choose forex and then click on launch chart. So once you're in chart, click on trading panel, and here click on show all brokers. You will see a lot of brokers here. So find the Exness or search Exness in here. So for example, this is Exness. So click on connect to start the trading, and that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.